Hello and welcome to SkillSlash. You must have come across the term data science whether or not you belong to a technical background or not. So what is data science? Why is it revolutionarily trending so much, and to how much extent does it impact our daily lives? Stay along to find out the answers to these. According to the Journal of Data Science, it is almost everything that has something to do with data, collecting, analyzing, modeling, yet the most important part is its applications, all sorts of applications. Simply said, data science is dedicated to extraction of clean information from raw data using any suitable tools and techniques to make actionable recommendations. But the raw data to be dealt with is huge, scattered and noisy, but data is actually the oil of the 21st century. Uses of data science ranges from making insurance risk assessments to sports analytics to business decision-making. What exactly is data and how is it so useful? Anything and everything is a data scientist. Starting from your daily work routine, search engine queries, your social media handles, stores and recreation areas near you, and even the health data from your fitness tracker app or watch. What is done with this data is to look for patterns and connections to predict further choices and actions. This is what makes any product user-friendly and interactive, which forms the motto of data science. What makes a person a data scientist? A person who is extremely skilled in detecting patterns hidden in large volumes of data that will help in further innovation and ease of life with the implementation of advanced algorithms and machine learning to help industrial organizations make precise predictions and assessments. A well-knowledge data scientist must have a deep knowledge of AI, statistical mathematics, as handling data to analyze problems is necessary, and programming with languages like R, Python and SQL for database management, along with some additional soft skills like communication, curiosity and storytelling. Let us now know about the data science hierarchy of needs. The first one is to collect, which includes instrumentation, logging, sensors, external data and user-generated content. The second is to move or store reliable data flow, infrastructure, pipelines, ETL, structured and unstructured data storage. The third comes exploring and transforming, like cleaning, anomaly detection and prep. Then at the fourth place comes aggregation and labeling, which includes analytics, metrics, segmentation, aggregation, featuring and training data. The fifth is to learn and optimize, where A/B testing, experimentation and simple ML algorithms are performed. At the sixth place comes AI and deep learning. Out of all these hierarchies, the fourth and fifth ones of aggregation and labeling, and learning and optimizing form the core domains of data science. In conclusion, data science deals with responsibilities like application of expertise in quantitative analysis, data mining and the presentation of data to see beyond the numbers and understand how our users interact with both our consumers and business products, and solving problems using trends and opportunities. Data science helps in classification, anomaly detection, forecasting, pattern recognition, recommendation, regression and optimization. Overall, it helps innovating new products to make the world around us more efficient. To know more, stay tuned for more such videos of SkillSlash to aid you stay updated in the world of technology.